Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. My name is Giselle and today I'm going to be doing this really cute spring look for you guys. So let's jump right into this video. So I started off with my eyebrows completely done using the Anastasia Beverly Hills pencil, and I'm going in with my Juvia's Place palette, and I'm starting in with that orange color as my first transition color. I'm going to place that right into my crease and use windshield wiper motions to put that on. If I sound a little sick, you guys, I'm sorry. I'm getting over a cold, but I was like, I have to do this video. I have to put this up, so excuse my voice. But yeah, I'm blending that all in my crease, and that's going to be my transition color. And I'm going in with another brush just to buff out that orange color. With eyeshadows, it's a little bit tricky, but this tutorial, I'm going to try to be more descriptive. So I'm going in with that purple color, and I'm placing that right under that transition color and just blending it out with that more pointed brush to be more precise. And as you can see, I'm still using windshield wiper motions. And with eyeshadows, you're going to use a couple of different brushes, and you'll see in this video that I do use a couple of different brushes. Like this one, this is an e.l.f. brush, fluffy brush, and I'm just buffing out that color to soften it up so it can blend better into that transition color. And I'm singing a little bit because there was some song playing, I don't remember. But I'm going back into blending, and the key to eyeshadow really is blending, you guys. Just blending, 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 blending for your life. Then I'm going in with my LA Girl Pro Concealer in Fawn, and I'm doing a half cut crease. And I like using LA Girl Pro Concealer because it has that pointy part so I can place it. Then I'm taking my Morphe brush, it's a flat brush I want to say, and just blending that out. Then I'm going to go back into that purple color I used, and that's the purpose what I'm saying with eyeshadows. You're going to have to go back a couple of times, but you're going to use a different brush to soften off that line, I guess you could say. And you're just going to keep going back and touching up with the different eyeshadows. And as you can see, I took that same brush that I used with the orange and buffed it out a little bit as well. It's all about touching up and just blending out for your life. Now, as you can see, I'm doing the same thing with my other eye, and I'm just making that half cut crease. I'm going in with that other brush and touching up that purple color because I want that purple to pop, and just blending it out into that cut crease. And I went back in with that orange color, and I'm just touching up that orange. And going back in with that other brush and touching up that purple. It's a lot of blending, you guys. A lot of blending with this eyeshadow. And taking another brush and blending that out as well. Now, I'm going in with another color in the Juvia's Place palette. I don't remember the name, you guys. I'm sorry. But I'm taking that really pretty glitter color and putting that on top of where I made my cut crease. And I did my eyelashes and eyeliner off camera, but that is the finished look for that eyeshadow. Now I'm going in with my Smashbox, and I'm taking that all over my face, rubbing it in. Then I'm going to go in with my Maybelline Fit Me and my Fenty Beauty and mix those colors in and put that as my foundation and buff that out with my Morphe Beauty Blender. And still taking it and buffing it out. Next, I'm going to go in with my MAC concealer and use a small pointed brush and take that under my eyes, down the bridge of my nose, under my nose, and go back and put that under my chin. Oh, on my forehead. then my chin. Ugh. And I'm taking the pointy side of my Morphe blending brush, and I'm just going to buff out that concealer. And make sure your beauty blender is damp. That's really, really important with spreading that concealer. Spreading anything on your face is really important that beauty blender is damp. But I'm blending that on my nose, taking it on top of my forehead, and just buffing it out. Next, I'm going with my Ruby Kisses concealer, and I'm taking that on the hollow points of my cheeks, down the sides of my nose, and on top of my forehead. Now I'm going in with that angled brush and just blending out that concealer. And I like to contour up into my highlight so that it could mesh together. Now I'm taking a small pointed brush and I'm just using that to contour my nose. Now I'm going in with my Sacha Buttercup and another damp beauty blender and just setting my highlight. And I'm going under my other eye. And I like to take my beauty blender with my setting powder and really mesh it into the sides of my nose to give it my nose the real snatched look. And as you can see, I'm taking it up and down my nose and at the bottom of my chin. Now I'm going with my NYX Stay Matte Not Flat foundation and just setting my contour. Taking it on my forehead, on the sides of where I set my contour, or where I place my contour, excuse me. Now I'm going in back with that Sacha Buttercup and setting under that contour to give my face that sculpted look. And take it on top of my forehead and down my nose and making faces. And then I dip my brush into my MAC foundation and dust off that setting powder. Now I'm going in with my Laura Geller highlight and highlighting the tops of my cheeks, or the highest point of my cheekbones, and my nose. And I am done. And that is the look for the day. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Bye.